Imagine a movie without a director or a political action without some kind of a political leader. This was kind of in the back of our minds for the past 6 months. And earlier this year, Jack and Lee Ruby reached out to us to help produce a performance called "And All the Reporters Left and Took Pictures." So we started imagining using blockchain to organize such performances in public spaces where directors and performers remained anonymous to each other. Our casting process was executed on the blockchain. The process was completely anonymous, so in the end, we truly didn't know who would show up. The instructions that were given out to our anonymous participants was to report to the Spring Break Art Fair, put on headphones, and access the audio recordings on the telephone and engage with the random people at the fair.
Underhanded.
Do you really think that this?
Do you think that this?
Do you think this is the way?
The monologues that people were hearing were from people that Jack sometimes describes as famous liars. Bill Clinton or Gwyneth Paltrow or ex-governor of New Jersey, Chris Christie. It was kind of incredible to see 30 people channel Chris Christie talking about M&Ms at a ball game. And another thing that was very interesting about it was the fact that while the performers were following their instructions, engaging strangers, most described their experience as extremely empowering. In some ways, they were the audience. And so this play kind of blurs this boundary between what it means to be the viewer and what it means to be a performer. As we move forward, we want to explore this concept of using blockchain to organize performances even further. So we're looking into mechanisms that allow the potential performers to put up some kind of a collateral to ensure that they show up, but as soon as their performance is validated, they will get their collateral back plus a reward for their participation. Where we're going with this is trying to create an ability for anyone to ultimately create this type of self-organizing performance. In the ideal scenario, this can be done without Snark, without anyone. It's just a matter of putting an idea out there and have the blockchain mechanism that we will create take over and find its performers, find its audience, and even reward all of the parties that will be involved.